Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Isabel. Thank you for joining. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, please give it a like, and I hope you will subscribe and hit the bell down below so that you can get notified when I upload additional videos. Today I have a quick little unboxing. These are items that I actually purchased in December, believe it or not, and I have yet to open them. This one I really need to open because I need to start using it immediately. And this one right here, it was an impulse buy. You will see what I'm talking about. So I am hoping now that it looks good and that I don't regret having purchased it. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. For those of you that have been watching my videos, over and over, welcome. You know that I've been out sick, so here I am trying to do a couple of videos in one day so that I can kind of catch up and show you everything that I have gotten and that I haven't been able to show you. So let's go ahead and start with this bag, which is a little bit crumpled. It's not Louis Vuitton's fault. I've actually had it shoved down underneath my desk, but this is a very, very small item. Here's my proof of purchase, and I'll give you the information in case you're interested in. But this right here is the Agenda 2018 refill for the MM Agenda, which is what I have. So this is basically the refill. The here you go. Let me just show you. And let's go ahead and open it up. I'm not gonna go ahead, it says 2018. It's got a really pretty box. I'm not gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna set up my agenda right now because I'm not even sure, but I do wanna show you what this looks like. So basically, as you can see, it's strictly the refills. I was not interested in getting the more expensive version because I already have things inside of my agenda. So really, all I really wanted was, and let me just take this off. All I really wanted was the actual inserts, and it's got a silver. Let's see if you can see that. It's got a silver lining or something on the edges, so that's what you're going to be able to see. And then let me just show you. This is what it looks like in the inside. Okay, and it does have, if you see, it does have space, additional space, like if you want to write notes, and also comes with this, which is like little sticky tabs that you can use if you want to go ahead and flag certain pages, which I think is cute. And then it's got the sticky notes. So I think this is really cute. And then it just has like a divider. Okay. Other than that, it doesn't come with anything else. It does have some little cute pages inside like this, other than the regular calendar. And it basically has a full week on 2 pages. So Monday through Sunday on 2 pages. And I gotta be honest, I always feel like this is not big enough for me to write. However, because, and especially because I have big handwriting, but honestly, I don't want to spend the money on a GM. Neither would I ever carry a GM agenda. It's just too big. So that's why I settled on the MM 2 years ago when I bought mine. So anyhow, this is the 2018 Agenda refill. I will give you the information in case you want to get it. It is RA4108, and yeah, that's that. The refills. I'm excited. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my agenda after I finish doing the videos. And I know you're wondering, hey, Isabel, you know, it's already like 2 weeks into January, and you're absolutely right. But I've been using my agenda all over the place, and you know, with being sick and being busy and being up and down, I just haven't had a chance. So that was my first little pickup at Louis Vuitton back in December. the other little thing I picked up was at Fendi. And if you followed me for a while, you know that I don't have a heck of a lot of Fendi. I actually purchased a pair of beautiful sandals at Saks during Christmas on sale, which I think are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use them. And I picked up a pair of booties, which we will talk about possibly on another occasion, that from Fendi also, that are spectacular. They're beautiful, but I don't think I'm going to sell them. And it's because of me, not because of there's anything wrong with the booties. But anyway, bottom line is I am not a Fendi expert, addict, or anything like that. I walked into the Fendi boutique. I tried on the mini peekaboo that I mentioned in my 2018 wish list. And while I was there, I started looking at items like this. I'm not sure why I did that, but anyhow, so let's go ahead and get started. Inside is the proof of purchase, and this is how it comes. At least in this Fendi, it's kind of like this. Okay. And inside is this right here. And so it is a pair of sunglasses. This is the Sunglass Case. It says Fendi right here. This is all black, and then it has yellow piping on the sides like this. And I was able to choose the interior color. And guess what I chose? If you know me, you know what the answer is. And yes, it is a beautiful light pink color. Gorgeous. And to reveal these beauties right here. And these are the Fendi Wayfarer sunglasses. So these are black in the front, and then on the side they have black, white, and they call this a leopard print. I don't know that I would really call it a leopard print, but maybe you tell me what you think. Anyhow, so this is them. They come in black, and they come in, the frame comes in black, and it comes in brown also. I picked the black, and it says that it has tinted brown lenses. Don't know if you can see there. Okay, and let's just see how they look on me. And so honestly, I haven't worn these since I purchased them. Well, I didn't wear them. I just tried them on at the store. So this is how they look on me. And I'm going to tell you what drew me to these sunglasses. And it wasn't because they were Fendi. I just happened to be in Fendi, and being an impulsive buyer sometimes, saw them, picked them up, things went through my brain, decided to purchase them. The reason I purchased them is because they're very, very large frames. However, I don't think that they look tremendously bad on me. I tend to have a smaller face, and so a lot of the sunglasses are huge, and I look ridiculous, to be frank. When I put these on, I felt that they were large, but that I didn't look totally ridiculous, and I like the fact that it was covering a lot of my face. I haven't really done a video on this. I did mention it some months back, but the reason why I was interested that it really is covering a lot of the eye portion on my face is that a few months ago I had to have Mohs surgery, and because they had discovered that I had basal cell carcinoma on a little right here, very close to my eye, and it's the lowest form of skin cancer. Okay, it's the lowest form of skin cancer, very slow growing, and it was taken care of. But I was shocked that I had it. And we'll do a video on it. Actually, I'm going to do a video on it because I want to start making videos so you guys can really get to know me. Anyhow, so I figured this is great because it's going to cover a lot of that particular area. And I do drive an hour to work during the day and an hour back. I live in South Florida, and 90% of the time there is sun. So even though I have some other sunglasses, these I felt were bigger. and that's why I bought them. And I thought they were pretty, to be honest. I thought they were pretty. So this is the other thing that I bought. And let's see what else is in the box, because well, in here, in the little sunglass case, they have a beautiful little, what's this called? Okay, I'm a blank. This beautiful little thing to clean your glasses with. It says Fendi on the front. It's rose ballerine, or I call it rose ballerine. It's a light pink, very, very pretty. And let's see what else is inside here. There is a booklet. It says Safilo, which I'm going to say is the company that makes the sunglasses for them in Italy. It says Safilo Group. And then additionally, let's see. There is the business card of the lady that took care of me, and her name is April. She was very nice. And lastly, oh, it's an authenticity card. So it's the authenticity card for the sunglasses that comes in this little envelope right here. And that's it for the bag, which was tied with this very pretty bow. So anyhow, that's what I got. I have a new pair of sunglasses. Let me know what you think. How do they look on me? Obviously, it's a little too late to return them anyway, because their return policy is no returns. It's only a credit to the Fendi store, which I will tell you the one thing I do regret about purchasing the sunglasses from the boutique. I would never say this about Louis Vuitton because I have a very strong relationship with Louis Vuitton, I feel, but I should have probably purchased these at Saks because I would have gotten points. And I didn't even think about it, honestly. And I thought, well, maybe I'm at the boutique and maybe they have something. Maybe they're different and Saks doesn't even have them. But I went on Saks' website. They're on the website. Same exact ones. Same exact price. Here they are right here so that you can see. So, you know, I would say that I probably would have preferred just getting them at Saks just because I would have gotten the points. But it was an impulse buy. Anyhow, I do think they're very pretty and they're large, so they're going to serve their purpose. They're not polarized, and I wish they were. But other than that, very, very pretty. Let me know your comments down below. Let me know what you think. Do you think they look okay? Do you have any experience with Fendi sunglasses? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Etc., etc. Also the same for the Agenda 2018. If you currently use it, or if you have any questions that you want to ask me, go ahead and leave them down below. This is a quick video. Just wanted to update you on some of the things that I had gotten and that I was still waiting to start using because I wanted to share them with you. Now I'm going to go ahead and start using them. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you soon. Bye.